Now that we have cut the inside pieces flush with the top row and we have bent these over and gotten them trimmed to the right length, these are going to be tucked in. So you can go around and bend this over your finger to break down the fibers, and then with your tool, I'm going to hold the outside so I can get some leverage there, and then that gets tucked in to the inside. Now, the way I do it is not exactly like this. That was very awkward for me. Usually I stand up and tuck them in. But one way I do teach students is to lay it flat on the table and put your tool in there and then kind of lift it up and poke that in. So again, in. See how wide you can open that up without it breaking? I am kind of helping push that in with the tool. This is the spot where the overlap is. So most students will try to get it in between those two, but you actually want it to be laying on itself. So you don't want to go in between that. I had to crease that one a little bit so it would go in. Now, a lot of people hate this part, but I don't dislike it because it means I'm getting close to finishing. Now, when you're going around and you're putting all those in, they can go in a little bit crooked. So if you go to the outside and look and see if they need to be moved, you can move them a little bit. So this one you can see part of it. So I'm just going to push it over. This one back that way. That one looks good. And I'm back around. There we have it ready, and for the next step is going to be the rims, and that will be our last segment.